Selected. Screen recording. Button. Action. Forward. Dimmed. Button. Docs. Visited.
Hi there everybody. Today we're going to be looking at the textual comparison tool in Logos Bible software. It's quite technical, but it's pretty simple to
Guide.
use.
Tools. Visited. Link.
Once you figure it
Actions
out. So
available.
we're going to go to Tools.
Tools. Visited. Text comparison. Link. Forward. Dimmed. Button. Of men. Link. Tech buttons.
Let's just go to Genesis
Button.
1.
But dimmed. Dimmed. But in. John 1. Text field. Insertion point at end. Words. Braille screen 1. John. Lands. G-E-N. Numbers 1. Portrait 1. 1. Character. Loading. Image. Text field is editing. John 1. Character. In. Text field is editing. Insertion point at start. Genesis 1. Genesis 1. Text field. John 1.
And you'll notice the popover that came up too. You can use that with verses also.
God saw that the light was good, and God separated.
Now, we have our translations.
Words. Characters. Words. Lines. Word. Text. Character. Text. Speaking rate. Language. Audio ducking. Links. Form controls. Tables. Lists. Buttons. Text. Buttons. Button. But. Dim. In. NASB. Genesis. In. NASB 9.5 para. LEB. ASV 1901. KJV 1900. NLT. Button.
And there's our list of translations. Let's just say we want to remove the King James out of here.
In. NASB 9.5 para. NK. Checkbox. N. Check. N. Check. L. Check. Check. C. Check. L. Check. 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 K. Check. Nat. Check. E. Check. N. Check. L. Check. L. Check. L. Check. E. Check. A. Check. C. Check. N. Check. Resource. Top. All. NLT. New. Checkbox. KJ. Checkbox. Check. Possible. In. NASB 9.5 para. LEB. ASV 1901. NLT.
And there you go. And now you can add another translation if you want to.
In.
Also.
NASB 9.5 para. In. NASB 9.5. Checkbox. NRF. Checkbox. NF. Check. L. Check. Check. C. Checkbox. LHB Lex. Checkbox. Uncheck. LHB Lex Ham Hebrew Bible. Back. Dimmed. Button.
There you go.
סוף פסוק, ויאמר
Button. Dimmed. In. Genesis 1. In. NASB 9.5 para. LEB. ASV 1901. NLT. LHB. Button.
You can add quite a lot of different Bibles in here. The search box also allows you to search for Bibles as well. So you can use that. Now here's what's nice about the textual comparison.
Dimmed. Button. NASB 9.5 para. Link. In the beginning God created the heavens and the earth. 0% different. LEB. Link. In the beginning God created the heavens and the earth. 0% difference.
So there's 0% difference in this particular verse with the Lexham and the New American
AS
Standard.
1901. Link. Actions
How
available.
about the American Standard 1901?
In the beginning God created the heavens and the earth. 0% difference.
Still, we have 0 difference.
NLT. Link. In the beginning God created the heavens and the earth.
The New Living.
0% LHB. Link. Actions available.
The Hebrew. Dum dum dum.
בראשית ברא אלוהים את השמיים ואת הארץ. סוף פסוק.
Genesis 1-2. Link. Actions available.
Okay, at that, it doesn't even tell you because it's a 100% difference. So that's how it works. You can use this very complicatedly. You can load like a bunch of Bibles. Note, do not hit the All Bibles button. You will freeze your browser. At least that's what happened when I tried it on video earlier. So, and no, it's not going to be public. This is like the third time recording this video, or maybe more, because when I hit playback, what would happen is I would hear a loop back, and the one I actually tried uploading, YouTube failed. So we'll see what happens with this one. So hopefully this helps, and hopefully this one will be the one that is uploaded. We'll find out.
Sunday, July 12th. Control Center. Airplane selected. Screen recording.